What's up guys, Chris here and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to take you behind the scenes and want to show you what equipment I use, or basically what lighting do I use to make our videos here at the gallery, from this to this. Okay, so the original color of the walls are stone gray, and it's like 3.5 to 4 meters away from where I'm sitting right now. And the tanks are just like 2 feet behind me. So, you know, I created enough depth for all those light to sink in. And let me go ahead and take you around the gallery so I could show you and surprise you. You know, it's really not those color lights, that professional color lights that you're thinking of, used in photography, or you know, those soft boxes and everything like that. It's not what I use. Okay guys, so let me take you around. So let me lift this up. So that's where I was sitting right there. That's my key light. It's actually a full spectrum LED light. It's Margu FT45. So that one right there. So I just clipped it. And then my filler light, it's this one. It's a clip light. It's if I'm not mistaken, it's a 10-watt clip-on aquarium light, also by Margu. So these are the tanks. So let me just show you around. Okay. Okay, so now I'm purple because of the lights. We're close to the lighting, and those lights are color lights, which, you know, renders the colors, reflects it on the wall, and then to my face. That's where I was when I initially took and started the vlog. And then these are the tanks here at the back, and that's one of the lights, right? This is one of the lights. It's face up and it's on RGB mode. It's on red, green, and blue mode. So it reflects on the wall right there. And there's another light. Oh, by the way, this light right here, it's a 42-watt aquarium light. It's also Margu. And this is the D90 series. It's 105 watts maximum power, so I could easily just toggle through, and you know, if I wanted to make it more, or if I wanted to make it brighter, I could just increase the white light. And I'll show you later how it looks like if I increase the white lights, and you know, let's see how the mixture goes together. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the camera right here, and let me go ahead and toggle through the color mixture of those backlights, as you know, the background lights, and see how it feels or how it looks like if I add more white to it, if I turn off the red, green, and blue colors and all those stuff. Okay, so I'm here at the back. Let me go ahead. You can barely see me, but I'm here at the back, and let me go ahead and increase the white color of this light. So there you go. So the red, green, and blue is at 100%, and then the white color is also at 100%. So that's how it looks like. It's really bright white, and you know, with some colors. So let me go ahead and try turning off the red, green, and blue, and just leave the whites. So that's how it is. I don't know if you could still see like any changes, if you could notice any changes with in terms of the light combination. But right now it's just all white reflecting on a stone gray background. So let me go ahead and turn on that red, green, and blue, and head on to the other background light. Let me put this light to full spectrum so all lights are turned on. Okay, so that's the other light. So this is all in full spectrum, so white, red, green, and blue are all turned on and at 100%, and the other one is also at 100% with all those white, red, green, and blue colors. So this is how it looks like. So let me let me go back there. Okay, so now it's full spectrum. Full spectrum meaning you have white, red, green, and blue all on full blast at 100%, shooting at the background. So again, the wall is colored stone gray, and that's how it looks. Not too bad. I mean, it's bright, it's nice. It's basically your personal preference, you know, how you like it to be when you're doing your videos. But I like it at times, or most of the times I like it just red, green, and blue. That way it's just gonna be nice and, you know, not really dark, but nice and colorful at the back. And then the focus is on me as well, and the tanks. But right, if it's set up like this, it's still good. I mean, I can see myself, the separation is really good. See the sharpness of all those, so you can see the sharpness of the edges and the separation of the background to the subject. So everything that I use right now are all basically aquarium lights, aquarium full spectrum LED lights. It helps enhance the colors. That way, it's still going to be color graded most likely when you're done taking the videos, and when you head home, you do your editing, you're gonna be color grading it just to mix and match, and you know, have it your way. But in terms of raw footage, raw videos, when you're doing vlogging, it helps to have good lighting, good background. So the depth is also important, space that you have behind you, and the lightings that you have. It's not all about how good your camera is, how good your mic is. It's the total mixture of all your equipment, basically, you know. So this one right here, my key light, the one that I showed you earlier, is an 18 watt full spectrum LED. The one at the back is 105 watts, and then this right here is 42 watts full spectrum LED as well. And I have just a filler light on my left side just to balance out the lighting. Let me turn off my filler light and see it, for you to be able to see the difference. So that's me without the filler. It's good. I mean, the color combination is still good. And then when I turn it on, it's pretty bright. So it helps you know, mix and match and see. But basically, it's at the end of the day, it's your preference. How bright you want your video to be, what topic you're gonna be discussing. It's all up to you. So I just wanted to share my simple setup here in the gallery when I take my videos, when I create my videos, when I do my vlogs and everything like that. That way, your questions like, what camera are you using? What lighting are you using? Are those professional light? It's not a professional light. If you have aquariums at home, you have your aquarium lights there. You could make use of that. You know, especially if you have full spectrum LED lights or full spectrum lights, you could make use of that. That way, you don't really have to spend more. And in terms of lighting, you could utilize whatever you already have. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Just click on the subscribe button below. If you like this video, smash that like button. And if you have any comments, or if you have questions, or if you have some things to share, you know, it may be beneficial for all of those aspiring YouTubers, aspiring videographers, photographers, you know, let's talk about it in the comment section below, and we'll see you on the next video.